Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell in Canva, sell your designs in Canva. So let's get started. So here we are in canva.com. So if you would want to create designs, templates, or even elements here in Canva, and then you want to earn money in doing that, so what you would need to do is basically you want to go into google.com, and from here you want to go for Canva Creator. And you would have the Canva Creators Program by Canva. So this is the marketplace for the creators like no other. And you can click here on Become a Creator right here. So you can also read what Canva Creator is at the bottom right here if you're interested in that. So you can also do it right here. So as you can see, there are template creators and element creators right here. So for the template creators, these are probably or primarily graphic designers, web designers, desktop publishers, art directors, and layout artists. And for the element creators would be photographers, illustrators, typographers, videographers, and artists. So you can also go for a teaching job right here. So if you are a qualified teacher who wants to join Canva Creators, then you can definitely do that here in Canva. And now let's go back here into the application process. So again, you need to click on this button right here. And now let's go for the application process. So welcome to Canva Creators. So you want to choose what type of content you'll be creating in Canva. So let's say you would want to go for elements. You want to click on register interest. And from here, you would need to provide everything right here. So your first name. So I'm just going to put something random here. And then my email right here, country that you are from. I'm just gonna go for Pakistan, just for an example. And then from here, I'm just gonna go for English. I'm just gonna go for Canada right there. So for example, and from here, what would you like to contribute to Canva library? So I'm just gonna go for graphics and photos right here. And I think I'm just gonna go for all of them. And then I'm just gonna know for this one since I'm not a specialist. So I'm gonna click on submit right there. So now from here, as you can see, thank you for expression of interest. We will be in touch when we are ready to onboard more creators. In the meantime, you can find out more about Canva Creators Market. So yeah, that would be the downside of using Canva Creators because there are a lot of applicants already here. So Canva is overflowing with candidates for becoming a creator for them. So if you want a method on how you can sell immediately, then I suggest that you can try the Etsy and other selling platforms. So you can just export your Canva designs there and then you can sell from there. But this is basically how you can sell on Canva. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.